The high beam assist function automatically switches the headlights from the high beam to the low beam setting when an oncoming or leading vehicle appears in front of your vehicle. Turn the light switch to auto and press the lever beyond the pressure point in this direction to activate the high beam assist. When activated, the high beam assist indicator light illuminates on the instrument panel. The system is activated at speeds above approximately 25 miles per hour when the headlight switch is in the auto position. It switches back to low beam at speeds below 16 miles per hour. Move the lever back to its normal position to deactivate the high beam assist. The indicator light turns off. The ambient light sensor used by the high beam assist function is located in front of the inside rearview mirror. To ensure proper function of the system, keep the windshield clean and do not attach stickers or other such materials near the ambient light sensor. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.